Good morning, everybody. Today I am out at the beautiful grasslands and I left all of my heavy gear at home. Today I'm just out with one lightweight camera, one lightweight lens, and just a few hours to enjoy this beautiful landscape. I can't wait. The sun just came up and I'm really looking forward to what I can get. It is just an absolute beautiful morning out here this morning. See, the sun has just come up now, and I haven't moved in very far. into the grasslands, but I found a family of field sparrows. And they keep coming down into this section. Some beautiful flowers, black-eyed Susans, some hairy vetch, the purple flowers, some white flowers as well, and the sun is right behind them. So they keep coming down into this location, and there's a lot of nice perches right here. So I'm gonna crawl in here, get nice and low, get nice and still, and hope that they come back to this location so I can get some nice photos of them. Because I have such a nice small lens, I can really move around really easily, but I also need to get good and close to these subjects as well to get any kind of close-up portraits. But what I'm really going for is some like environmental shots, to see them in their habitat, in the landscape. So that's what I'm going for, but I just need to go a little bit farther this way, and fingers crossed they come back and we can get some stuff. Everything looks so still until you look through binoculars, and every now and then you see this bright flash of a bird taking off and the light catching its wings. That didn't work. Goldfinch were coming this way, but then the male decided to start chasing them around, so off they go. There's a song sparrow and at least one pair of common yellowthroats in this little thicker vegetation area. A lot of this area is just grass, but then there's just one kind of island that is a lot thicker with wildflowers, and also some more dried stalks sticking up, which are perfect perching areas for the song sparrows and the warblers to kind of perch on and sing and just kind of pop up and see what's going on around them. I've been moving around probably for the last hour or so, just trying to find different locations and test things out. And, you know, as per usual, the more you move around, the less activity is around you. So I'm gonna go kind of creep up this location and see if I can have the birds pop up themselves naturally and be able to get some close encounters with them. It's already starting to get really warm. It's supposed to be about 100 degrees today. It's only 6:30 in the morning and we're already at 80 degrees. So it's very humid and yeah. There's something really freeing about being able to be out here with just a lightweight kit, not having to worry about, you know, changing lenses or do I have the right gear, and just being able to immerse yourself in the habitat and just, you begin to notice so much more around you. The insects on the flowers, butterflies, moths, everything is out and active right now, and it's just really nice to be able to just focus on that instead of, oh, should I switch lenses to get this, you know, yada, yada, yada. You just forget all that and just can enjoy it so much more and have fun doing it as well. This morning wasn't about finding anything rare or special. It was just about being able to enjoy being out in this beautiful landscape. Beautiful morning, beautiful sunrise, enjoying all of that. And I think I did. I definitely did. I hope you have as well. Sometimes the experience is worth more than the photographs you get, but I think I'm really excited to look at the photos I got this morning of those. I believe they were field sparrows with the sun rising behind them. I'm really excited to take a look at those. And it just shows that you can get some really amazing stuff with not the most expensive gear. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon.